Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to publish a changeset in Settings Editor. In this video, I will walk you through the basics of creating, saving, then publishing a changeset. Right now, you are in the Settings Editor for the location Aliso Viejo. This page is made up of the toolbar to save and publish any changesets that you create, the selection panel to choose which entity that you want to work in, and the entity view, where you can make any edits, additions, or deletions to a selected entity. To create a changeset, simply choose an entity and make a change. For this tutorial, the change that we will make is to add an item and save it, which will create a changeset for us to later publish. Notice that the Delete Changeset button in the toolbar is disabled, as there is no existing changeset to delete. Now let's get started. Access the Items entity from the selection panel on the left. In the Items entity view, click the Add New Item button. Name your item, add a kitchen name, and choose a revenue center. Click OK, and double check that your item was added. Great. After adding your item, go ahead and click Save in your toolbar. Click OK. After saving, you have successfully created a changeset. Also notice that the Delete Changeset button is no longer disabled. You now have a changeset that can be deleted. Once saved, the last thing you want to do is publish your changeset. At this point, you can go ahead and navigate away from Settings Editor if you choose, and publish at another time. If you wanted to publish now, be sure that your location's primary register is online. Then simply click the Publish button in your toolbar. You want to name your publish, and add any notes that you may want. Click OK. Great. Once your publish has been received, you can continue to create more changesets in Settings Editor, or view your changesets in your Administrator portal. To view your changesets, click the Close Settings Editor button on the top right of your toolbar. Once back in the Administrator portal, click Configuration on the selection panel and choose Changeset Packages from the drop-down. Now you're on the Changeset Packages page. Changeset packages are made up of one or more changesets published to one or more locations. To recap from earlier in this video, we created an Add Small Coffee changeset and published to the Aliso Viejo location. By doing so, we created a changeset package from that publish, and the details are now housed on this Changeset Packages page. This page is made up of a filtering tool to help find published changeset packages by date, name, or location, and the Changeset Packages grid to view all the details of a changeset package. In the Changeset Packages grid, the details available will be the name of your changeset package, including the number of changesets in the package, the number of locations in your package, when that package was submitted and who submitted it, the schedule date that that package will be published, a package published immediately, like our small coffee package, will have a scheduled date of the current business date at the time we published. Additional details include the package's overall publish status, where that package was created, and a list of available actions for a package that will depend on the status of the package at that time. For this package, there are no available actions at the time. Select a changeset package name to bring up the changeset package detail page. This page gives you a view of the package's Changeset details and locations. This page includes a Changeset tab and a Locations tab. In the Changesets tab, there is a grid view of all changesets included in the package. The details in this grid include the name of the changeset, the number of changes made in the changeset, the person who created the changeset, the day and time the changeset was created. Any notes included in the changeset when it was published will also appear here, and the original location that the changeset was created from. Click on the changeset name to open an XML view of all changes made in the changeset. In our case, this view contains the changes made to add a small coffee item. Hit Close. In Locations tab, there is another grid view of all locations that received the changeset in the package. For each location, the details in this grid include the name of the location's published status, and the day and time that that status was last updated, and the connectivity status of the location's primary register. This will either be online or offline. Because the location's primary register should be online during the publish of a changeset package, checking the connectivity status of a location's register can be a helpful tool when trying to troubleshoot. To go back, click the Changeset packages using the breadcrumb at the top or the selection panel on the left. Done. Be sure to check out our other tutorial on how to use Changeset Publisher. Thanks for watching.